Hmm. Uh, Welcome to Charles GBT YouTube channel where coding dreams come true, or at least that's the plan. Join me as I work on real life projects. We'll dive into C++, Arduino projects for now, and then some projects on other programming languages along the way. Get ready to code, create, and maybe even crash your projects a few times, just like I do. So if you are short on time or just want to see the end result, feel free to forward to the end parts of the video to see the simulation. But I can promise you guys that this one is massive and it's wild. So if you are a fan of music, make sure you stay to the end. We are creating some music sounds that is kind of fun to me. I don't know about you guys, but it was fun to me. So we're creating some music sounds and with Tinkercad. You can also do it in real life, but just know the basics. Okay, and I hope that if you love these musics I'm going to be doing in this project, please subscribe to my channel. But I'm going to make it very interesting and I won't bore you guys up, you know. So this is the music, this is a buzzer sound. So let's make the connections. Make sure I've downloaded your Tinkercad, and it must look like this. At first, this white, there is no connection in the circuits. We are working with circuits, not 3Ds or designs. So there is no connections with the circuits. So you just make the connections. You can take a picture of my connection or just uh, take a picture or just maybe this time I'm using to blab rubbish. That is not important that much. You can just put the connections by the side and work on the connections. Please make sure it's exactly the same thing and make sure you're charging your system, please, so you won't get slow. It won't slow down. Yeah, but since maybe you haven't got as many projects, it probably won't slow down. So what we're working to with today is a button, RGB LED, and connections. You can see the connections. It's always the same connections. RGB is always red, green, blue, connected to 9, 10, and 11 in the digital, right? You see 9, 10, and 11. So we are working with a buzzer sound, so we can be able to play music with this. It would be fun, I promise you guys. It would be fun. Okay, so we connect the button. I think the button is connected to 2. So you see it's connected to 2. I'm highlighting it. So and the buzzer is connected 5. So our normal connections 5 voltage and GND. It's connected to the plus and minus. It can be connected to any place in the breadboard. So if you want to search for the components, you can just search for it. So see, I think a buzzer is around here. Yeah, piezo is called piezo, but I call it buzzer because it makes sound and stuff like that. So you work with this. This is a buzzer. We'll still work with most of these components though, but let's just start from scratch. And we are in the medium, the intermediate section. We are done with the beginner or this and so. But so this is what we'll be needing. So if you can't find any components, please make sure you let me know in the comment section, or so I can tell you the name so you can search it up here, right here. Or you just check components, you go to all the components and look for the ones you need right here. So let's just get started. So this is the code I'll use for this. Let me scroll to the end. Okay, this is the code. I will shift this a little bit so it would be here so you guys can see it. Then I will zoom this in and I will explain how I got all this. So I'll zoom this in again. I think this too zoomed in. But it's fine though. So you can see my name. I like putting my name and I cited every single thing. So for the comments, I wanted to remember in my last video, you can give like multi-line comments like this or single line like this. So or you can do like this as well. This it's just for designs. You can see it's still the same thing, but it's just for designs and make it look more pretty. So you can see I cited where I got the music from. So all you have to do is just go right here and search for Arduino songs GitHub. Yeah, Arduino songs GitHub. So if you click on Arduino songs GitHub, it takes you here in your Google Chrome, anywhere it just gets the songs. So you go to the song, and any song you need, just slice it in. But I've already chosen some songs. They've already written the piano code or the digitals for the song. So I have chosen the ones I need that I think will interest you guys. So you can just search or take the music from me or something. So let me just, without much ado, so let me just go back to the Tinkercad project. Okay, so these it. So that's how I got it. So you don't worry about all the notes that they defined here for the note frequencies. Don't worry about all this. It's from the GitHub repository. They have already set the tones and everything for the song I'm going to be using with you guys. So they have already set the melody. They have done all this. So if you just download it, all you need to do is paste the music you need here, and then you can start setting up your Arduino Tinkercad, make it function properly. So this is just it. So normally we will just, our normal way of going, we declared our variables, like the buzzer pin for this buzzer. I said earlier it's connected to 5. Then the button pin is connected to 2, and same as red, green, and blue pin, 9, 10, and 11. 9, 10, and 11. Yeah. So that's it. So no need to understand any basics of these note frequencies. It doesn't matter. You can just get the notes from GitHub and run it for your code. Also, these are the songs and the thing. They already set it up, so it gives the accurate music we want to play. I hope my Tinkercad doesn't go off this time. So this is the voice setup, our normal thing. So buzzer is an output because it's giving out something. So input, but is an input as usual, and output red, green, blue, So this ensures that the RGB LED is off at start off. When we start off the program, the LED is off. So I wanted to create like a program as it's singing music. It's just like a party. As a singing music, the colors of the RGB will be flashing, dun, 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 and it will be fun, right? So we'll start. When we start, this means we're going to be printing something in the serial monitor. So the use of the random seed is to generate random numbers. So we'll see random number generator using an unconnected analog pin. So it's used to generate random numbers. Why I use the random number is so it can be generating numbers for the RGB. It will go RGB, GBR, just be generating numbers, so the lights will be flashy and fun. So we'll use this. So the serial monitor begin. It means that we're printing something. So when we start our simulation, you see this. The system is ready. RGB LED is off at startup. Press the button to play the. Oh, I spoiled it for you guys. So it's happy birthday I was trying to get great, but it's fun. Just stay, please. So press the button to play happy birthday with a light show. So it will be fun. Don't worry. When I start the simulation, and for those of you that is skipping to the simulation, well, good for you. So this is the void loop. So this is the void loop. So if we press the button starting the song and light show, it displays these with delays and things like that. So you wait for the button to be pressed. It will not be initially, it will just say that let's press the button so we can do the stand. So that is it. So after the song finished playing, we'll turn off the RGB, turn off everything, and say song ended. Press the button to play again, to press the button again to replay. So you see it's in our void loop, so it will go forever, as many times as you want. You can be asleep. Maybe if you're sleeping, you press the button, play the music, sleep, wake up, press the button, maybe anything. So it goes forever. So this is the function we use. This play song here for you guys that are still imagining what's this. Don't worry, I'll be posting the code in the comment section. So this is the play song. The melody is already. So it's already. They've already done the creations of the function of the create song of the song in the GitHub. So you can just copy it there. So this is it. So it keeps changing colors. This for the RGB. It changed red, green, blue, red, green, blue. I told you guys earlier that this 255 is the highest value of an RGB. 255 red, green, blue, red, green, blue. So it shows the light choice, another thing. So don't worry, I'll be posting the code in the comment section so you guys can enjoy it and have fun too and impress your friends as well. So if we go to this serial monitor right here, so let's start the program for those of you that is patiently waiting. So if I should run this, wait, let me charge up so it won't fuck up. Sorry. So let me charge up. So cool, it's charged up right now. So yeah, I hope it goes well. So if I should start the simulation, it says it's printing a system ready RGB LEDs off at startup. Press the button to play happy birthday. I don't know if I can scroll. Yeah, press the button to play happy birthday with a light show. So what do you want to do if this comes? If the message is very clear, it's off. So press the button if you want to play the music. I hope this doesn't crack up. Let me increase the volume a little bit. Okay, so uh so let's start. Let's press the button. I hope it doesn't crack your ears, those on earpods or headphones. So if I should start it. Stop. What the fuck? I know that this is going to mess me up this time around. I think maybe I should just will I get to clear this now. Let's run it again. Don't worry, guys. Let's run it again. I hope it goes well this time. Why is it getting slow? Let me unplug my charger. I don't know why it's getting slow. This is supposed to be fun. Stop this. So start it again. Let's start it again. Let's know if it works well. Okay, the system is ready. RGB LED is off at startup. Press the button to play happy birthday. Don't fuck me up, this paper, please, please, please. So if I should hit this button. Oh god. It's slow. It's supposed to be play very, very well. It's slow. I hate these connections. This is really driving me crazy. This is really driving me crazy. Why is it slow right now? It was actually fast a couple of times I was running the program. Tinkercad, you need to work on this, please. Work on this. I'm just waiting for the music to end. Please, just end. So it's slow for now, but probably I'll just be posting this. Maybe if I could get a time that it goes well, or maybe if I post the code and it goes well in yours, please let me know. But it's meant to play the music straight. I don't know why it's dragging the music this time around, but I hope it goes well next time. So I'll still be creating another video on this. Yeah, maybe next time. So let's just stop the simulation. It's really driving me crazy. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more projects based coding tutorials. And remember, coding is all about having fun and sometimes pulling your hair out. Keep on coding, and remember, practice makes perfect. And for those of you that don't like stress like I do, just click on my CG logo at the bottom right corner of this video to subscribe. Finally, I'm going to give you all a glance into our final project idea, which I am super excited about. I've spent a lot of time perfecting the code and simulation, and I'm proud of how it's turned out. But here's the thing, I don't want to just share the code and tutorials with random viewers. I want to make sure that our loyal subscribers get to see the full functionality and explanation of this code. So if you want to learn and see how we brought this project to life, please hit that subscribe button. Subscribers will get exclusive access to the final project tutorials, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.